Autobanner is a revolutionary new way of changing hanging banners and signs. Banner changing has never been this safe or this simple. We want to show you how you can simply go from this to this in a matter of minutes with no access equipment and no hassle. But let's first see how traditional hanging banners are changed. Changing a standard hanging banner invariably involves some form of access equipment, as you have to go to the banner. Depending on location, this activity may have to be conducted outside of normal working hours for health and safety reasons. Certainly, the working area will need to be identified to keep people from entering when the banner is being changed at height. Mobile elevated working platforms, whether scissor lift or cherry picker, require a qualified operative and possibly other staff to ensure that the working area is kept clear. When you get to the height of the banner, most standard systems are relatively simple to change, although only if you've remembered to bring everything with you. With the banner changed, the operative has to move the access equipment safely to the next banner location. And of course, this may mean setting up an appropriate route, clear of people, until the next working area is established. With Autobanner, changing suspended banners or signs is safe and simple. Just a small area of floor space needs to be cordoned off to create a safe working area. And, as Autobanner has a radio-controlled motor, the banner is lowered at the touch of a button, so the banner comes to you. The speed of descent is determined by the motor chosen, but it is always at a constant controlled speed and can be stopped in any position if required. You can also set automatic stop positions, usually at the top and bottom limits of travel. So here, Autobanner stops at just the right height for the operative to change the banner. Removal of the old banner just involves unlocking the fixing at either end of the headrail and releasing the banner. Hanging the new banner is simply the reverse of this process. The new banner is hooked onto the lifting bar, and the two end fixings locked into place. An inbuilt safety feature ensures the locks cannot be turned unless the banner is correctly installed on the lifting bar. Once changed, the banner is simply raised at the touch of a button to the desired height, or in this instance, to the upper stop position of the motor which has been previously set. The motor automatically stops when it reaches that position. Autobanner, making changing banners and signs safe and simple.